Cheese is one of the most beloved foods worldwide, but have you ever wondered how it's made? From the farm to your plate, cheese production is a fascinating process. In this video, we'll take you through the step-by-step journey of turning milk into delicious cheese. The cheese-making process starts with collecting fresh milk, usually from cows, goats, or sheep. The milk is carefully checked for quality to ensure it's safe and clean. Once ready, the milk is pasteurized to eliminate any harmful bacteria while keeping the important nutrients intact. Next, starter cultures are added to the milk. These cultures help in fermentation by converting lactose into lactic acid, which gives the cheese its unique flavor. Then, rennet is added to help the milk solidify into curds. This is where the magic of cheese making begins. Once the milk solidifies, it's time to cut the curds into smaller pieces. This allows the whey to separate from the curds. The curds are then heated slowly, which helps them firm up and release even more whey. The size of the curds and the temperature during cooking affect the final texture of the cheese. After cooking, the curds are separated from the liquid whey. The curds are placed into molds or cheesecloths to drain out the remaining whey. In some cheeses, additional steps like pressing may be used to get the perfect shape and texture. Salt is added to enhance the flavor and act as a preservative. Some cheeses are salted on the surface, while others are soaked in brine. The amount of salt and the method used can significantly affect the taste and aging process of the cheese. Once the curds are salted, they are placed into molds to give the cheese its final shape. Molds help determine the size and form of the cheese, whether it's round, square, or any other shape. The curds are pressed into the molds to remove excess whey and solidify their form. This is where the true flavor of cheese develops. Aging or ripening allows the cheese to mature and gain its unique taste. Depending on the type, some cheeses are aged for just a few weeks, while others can take years. The environment, humidity, and temperature all play a role in this process. Once the cheese has aged to perfection, it's ready for packaging. Depending on the type, the cheese might be wrapped in wax, paper, or vacuum sealed to preserve its freshness. Each package is labeled with the cheese type and date of production. Before the cheese reaches stores, it undergoes rigorous quality checks to ensure it meets safety and taste standards. Specialists examine the texture, flavor, and appearance to make sure the cheese is ready for consumers. Only after passing these tests is the cheese sent to market. From fresh milk to a block of delicious cheese, this process combines science and tradition. Whether it's soft, hard, or somewhere in between, each type of cheese tells its own story of craftsmanship. Next time you enjoy a piece of cheese, you'll know just how much work goes into making it.